welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today is Tuesday and is the start of another vlog. It's funny how I'm starting this vlog on Tuesday, just like the other one. Anywho, I was busy making a wig, so I'm almost done with the wig. I have two of my brides' wig with me. I have to customize one of the bride's frontal. Sorry, I want to customize one of the bride's frontal. That's I'm going to bleach the knots and tint the lace. I have two brides on the 18th of this month. So I think I'm going to vlog that in a separate vlog. Like I'm going to vlog how I style. I don't know, I'm just going to figure out the name for that vlog, but I would want to vlog just that day. And attending one of the bride's wedding, so I'm going to just vlog the whole day. Yeah, so I think I'm going to name it Watch Me Style Two Brides in One Saturday, or I don't know, please suggest name for me. Hopefully you guys will come up with a better name for that vlog. So yeah, I'm going to just basically show you guys how I'm able to navigate styling two brides in one Saturday, and their churches are for 10 a.m. But the good thing is within the same area where I stay. That's where the brides are, so it's just going to be both to one side, and it's not far. That's what I'm being thankful for. So let's get working. Mommy, welcome back. Let me see the fabric you bought for me. So my sister is making baby dresses for my niece and my other relative in the village.
You couldn't even fold these clothes.
Sorry, I'm working. It's cute, kind of. And is this nude? The theme of the bridal shower is nude.
This is new.
I'll tell them which was the theme.
This is new.
Okay, she's back from the market. Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today has been productive. First I filmed a Reels video for my cooking page. If you don't know by now, I have a cooking page on Instagram, Cooking with Rosemary. I'm going to put it on the screen. Yeah, I filmed the Reels video and I successfully styled 3 weeks. Yeah, and now my sister is begging me to help her gather nets for the dresses she's making. I have to help her because I'm begging her to help me sew one dress I'm supposed to use for a bridal shower next week. So she has to help me help you. No, what am I saying? You I have to help her help me. Yeah, it's like that. Yes, it's not been easy actually. My back hurts. I guess that's what I'll be doing next. I'll just help her a little bit and rest my back. Honestly, I really need to make it work. My back Anyways, I see you guys in the next clip. This rat came to my house to beg for pancakes. She saw the pancakes I posted yesterday and she wanted me to make some for her. But I gave her a workshop. She's helping me lose the wig. So, you know, it's straight by butter. You cannot just eat pancakes like that, no. You have to work for it. Work for it, baby. Should I bring it now? It's ready. Oh, feeling hot. Should I bring it? Oh, you finished losing the first.
Give me this thing.
Say hi to my vlog first. Take it. I will eat this food. Nonsense.
It better be nice.
Should I bring syrup?
It better be nice. Send me knife. Pancake don't cold.
Hey, pancake is not supposed to be hot now.
I like it hot.
Is it nice?
Not that nice, but it's okay.
Take syrup, it's nice out.
That's good, small. Small. It's okay. I like something better.
Hey.
I don't really like it.
Oh yes, tell me thank you.
Thank you.
Say it again. Back again to this vlog. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam. Today is Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday actually. Yes, because I just finished working. It's currently like I don't know the time is, but I know it's almost 12 or past 12. I've been working since morning. I woke up. I started editing my first vlogmas that is supposed to go up tomorrow, Sunday. I'm still not done, like 50% done. So once I finish what I want to do now, I'm going to try and finish up. The editing. So I woke up today. I've been cleaning. After I edited a little bit, I've been cleaning. I'm supposed to do laundry, but I'm not doing that. I'll wait for my sister to come and do that one. So now I'm very hungry and I want to make soup. It's been a while we had soup, so my twin sister was saying let's make egusi soup. Let's make egusi soup. So that's what I want to do now. I just sent my neighbor's daughter to help me go and buy the things that I need, but I forgot something. I forgot a scissor seed. If you use scissor seed in your egusi, please comment down below. And yeah, so that's what I want to do now. I want to quickly start cooking before I faint, because I'm really hungry. I haven't had anything, and yesterday we didn't really eat any reasonable food. We had oats and bread for dinner, and this is like almost 12, and I've still not had anything to eat. So right now, to just start prepping the food. Yeah, I'm not going to really vlog me cooking because it's really bad using your phone close to you, the gas. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm prepping the food. Then I'm going to show you guys the after, probably. Yeah, so let's get cooking. Let me wash my hand and taste it. This food, it's nice, guys. The pepper didn't come out well. I like my food very spicy. It definitely needs more pepper. Please ignore the noise. There's a school behind me, and today is the end of the year party. That's why there's so much noise. Let me go and sit down and enjoy this meal. Catch you guys in the next clip. Hi guys. God, guys, I forgot I was vlogging. Honestly, I finished eating. I just went to wash the plates. I would have showed you guys. I cleared my plate. I cleared it. That food was so good. Anyways, right now I'm just going to rest up a little bit, just a little bit. I hope I don't sleep off. Then I'll try and finish editing my video. Yeah, as per work today, I don't really have. I treated some hairs last night, so I rinsed it this morning. And then my bride for next week, I finished making her wig. I'm only going to style the hairband. It's not, I don't want to style it today. Today is too early, so I'm going to like style it next week, probably Monday or no, Tuesday. I'm not sure I'm going to style it on Tuesday, Monday, or like next week though. So I don't really have work pending. I just have to try and finish editing this video, and yeah, see you guys.